Grave Digger, Chesapeake, Virginia, Currituck Grain Company, Series 22 Monster Jam. If you purchased the retro edition of the Grave Digger 5-pack that was an exclusive at Target, you already got this truck, and this is what it is, just so you can remember it. Or if you never seen the 5-pack of the Grave Digger set, here it is. And up here top, the 1984 of the Grave Digger. So it came in this package. The only difference I really see is the gray front bumper. And then I don't believe anything else. It's kind of hard because it's in the, since I still have mine in the box. The other thing is these have the flotation tires. And yes, this new one here that I'm gonna open does have the flotation tires. The other difference is this one here in the 5-pack has the black wheels. Down here we get some blue wheels. And the other trucks that I have already unboxed here is, I do have the red primer Grave Digger out of the package, and also the old school grandma Grave Digger. So let's go ahead and check out some pictures of this version of Grave Digger from Currituck Grain Company on the back of the 5-pack real quick. On the back of the 5-pack, they have pictures of all 5 trucks, I do believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And so here it is, the Grave Digger from the 1984 version. I believe that's probably Dennis Anderson in the driver's seat. And you can see those tractor tires. They're different from the 66-inch Monster Jam tires, which we are used to seeing. I did want to mention real quickly this 2005 Grave Digger here in this 5-pack. It's out in 2 packs, and the other truck is Northern Nightmare. Let's go ahead and bring in this blue and silver looking Grave Digger from the old school look. I like those blue wheels. Goes very good with the different colors of the Grave Digger going on here. The Grave Digger, it says Chesapeake, Virginia, Currituck Grain Company. And down below here it has 477 cubic inch, I believe. I see a 477C something. It's hard to tell. But also this area is pretty sparkly. It does have a little sparkle to it up where the name of the truck is. There's the door handle. That's very nicely done. And then we get this silver area right here alongside where the opening of the hood might be for the truck. To the front of the truck now we get a black bumper, and you see the front end of the Grave Digger. Now on to this side of the truck, it does say Dennis up above here of the door handle, and that's very cool to have that. And then onto the back here, and then in the back there's the doors, very nice. And then up top, so very nicely done. If you didn't pick this up in the 5-pack, here's your chance to do it now. Thank you for tuning in to this unboxing and review of the Grave Digger Chesapeake, Virginia, Currituck and Grain Company edition.